You ever been let down so hard that it felt like the earth stopped spinning? Whenever I have a good week, I reward myself by going to the animal shelter and seeing all the little kittens smile as I pet them for hours. One day, a ginger cat came up to the glass and moved its paw in a way that I could have sworn was a wave. I was sold. Lily is now my best friend. She was a rescue from some of the most depraved conditions. This meant she never smiled, ever, but I still tried my hardest to make Lily happy. I was badly singing along to my favorite song, Brown-Eyed Girl, when I turned to Lily to invite her to dance with me, only to see her smiling and purring right beside me. It brought me so much joy that I kept the song on loop for the next hour, and one day in the vet's office, I found it was because Brown-Eyed Girl started playing on the radio. Except this time, Lily didn't do the thing. I thought it was because she hates the vet, but she never did it again. I know it sounds silly, but at the time it felt like I had failed her. I started questioning if I was even fit to be a parent. At the next checkup, I mentioned this to the vet. She explained that cats often loaf and smile in response to their owner's emotions, not because of any object or activity. So the only reason Brown-Eyed Girl makes Lily is because it makes me happy. And the only reason it makes me happy is because it makes Lily smile. Turns out our happiness was always a group effort, and now I get to see her smile almost every single day. You ever been let down so hard that it felt like